Alright, Bushafo, welcome. My friend me Easy CD and welcome to Job of the Day. Into my surgeon is said, my friend with Juma na my day, mama with link and mama with gig, Into your friend is saying on today's episode, you are going to be looking at a job. A Juma be a US embassy, or more Ghana, or more ding, or more higher. Na a Juma no a very very simple. Omo here obi or ye ding. Human resource assistant. Omo here obi a human resource assistant. Ejuma no very very simple. O salary between 16,396 to 25,408. Patrosa 25,000. So we change no call Ghana cedis more. 385,000 Ghana cedis. And in Ghana economy, no timon says sasikano a bit my nyoma pa. Patro ejuma ni full time. Ejuma full time meaning say a year 40 hours per week. 40 hours per week. Pacho ejuma na from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Now Monday to Friday no each day be no be ejuma 8 hours. 8 hours. For the hiring part and pacho almost say open to the public. So that means that anybody with that type of experiences no obetimi ayedin, obetimi apply. Another thing they say omo can say a permanent appointment type, a permanent into when you juma na obetimi atena for the rest of your life. That's based on you. But say okoye mfunso bi na okoye bibia enye and now be say reputation of the company na and the baby obetimi you ready into pacho when you juma na no why careful no why juma ni ye. Another thing they say they are encouraging us to read and understand the 8 qualities of overseas employees before you apply. And to more nyoma bia qualities bia here so also will take care of before you apply. But on Yanko inside, let's find out what the 8 qualities are here. Let's find that out. Okay, Pacho 8 qualities no enunye. Here say obeye den. Meba mami nzumina enye kese kakra na muhu. Here say obeye den. You have all these 8 qualities. But way na very simple. They want you to have composure and integrity. Composure and integrity. Neka composure and integrity. They want you to stay calm, be poised, be effective in stressful and difficult situations. Don't overreact when things are hot. Sometimes someone might piss you off in the job or but so react hey there and then but you jumani the one na ashero. Another thing so mo person we cultural here then cultural adaptability. So they want you to work and communicate effectively and respect others who are different. Say some areas near womb, Ghana near womb, no, and Ghana phone one the womb. One should be Honoma or America ni or Italy ni. One should be Botswana ni, Zambia ni. We are all different, and they want you to respect each other's race, and that's almost sexual orientation and respect each other. That's it. And no more based on Omoka. Another thing is say Omope change and initiative, right? They want you to accept change in the workplace. What I say, sometimes you're more higher, not with Juma one thing, but after 6 months, no more then almost change a Juma, almost change work requirements. They want you to be able to accept change. Men can say, because say, Mukatem Seminya say, you say Mukatem Seminya at 4. What I say, and you say, one, if you're not able to comply or accept change, maybe you wouldn't be the right person for the job. Another thing is that they want you to have experience and motivation. Be experienced and have motivation as well. Okay, to demonstrate knowledge and skills gained from previous experience and to express motivations for joining the US Embassy. Be assertive, guys. Be assertive. Be go and be confident. They need confident people. Mr. Ramo, go and be confident. What I say, make her confident. Don't be overconfident, Mr. Ramo. To what I say, but they just need you to be assertive. All right. Another thing here: information integration and resourcefulness, or see them to absorb local and United States government rules and regulations and apply them to work situations to resolve problems using available resources within the rules and regulations. And which is very, very simple. They want you to they want you to just apply to your rules, to their US government rules. If you can, this job is for you. We are tactfulness. They want you to speak and write respectfully as a representative of the US state embassy. What I say, and also they're very, very simple. Planning and organizing, which is very, very self-explanatory, and also working with others. He can work best with other people, but they require say you work with others, because this job is a teamwork, it's not a self-work. What I say. Alright, and only 8 qualities now here, but you go back to the application. Let's go back to the requirements now here. Okay, and I already went through the full-time 40-hour per week, duties, but you're taking notes, honey, duties. Or say that you'll be responsible for specific personnel functions performed at post. Okay, so major responsibilities, but your major responsibilities. Also, major responsibility is recruitment and onboarding of employees, and other duties can include preparations of all type of personnel actions, placement, promotion of local employees, and go for the resign, so you take care of that, preparing staff patterns, also like managing and assisting staff salaries and benefits. And so like it's like regular human resource type of work. You'll be taking care of any administrative type of duties, that kind of thing. So that's your duties. But your qualifications no here a minimum of 3 years in administrative work. I always encourage people to apply. Whether you have 10 years experience, whether you have 1 year experience, still apply. Because interview it is based on your assertiveness. You already have the skills in your head, because what school you already have the skills in your head. And to be assertive, be confident, talk boldly, prepare, just prepare, look through their job requirements, what I say, and prepare, because questions based on the duties. They'll just ask you questions. These questions no mubisa, and no mubisa. What I say, they won't ask you anything outside. And just like Ghana, the teachers want to back and say, oh, Munko page we no, we are on for questions name ba has your back for. They are asking you questions based on these duties. Asa and yet that is not that hard. It's not that hard. Don't stress over things, Miss Ramo. They want you to also have some job knowledge. Obviously, as a BA student or a business administrative student, you learned something in school. You learned something in school. They need you to have certain type of qualities or knowledge about the job. And inside, or then knowledge of general office management practices and procedures, knowledge of job evaluation, concepts and principles, must have knowledge of human resource practices, which are all basic things because you've already gone through that in school. So read fear for YouTube about business administration, that type of things, just go YouTube, you find all that. Equip yourself, guys, equip yourself. Just be assertive, know your things, know your stuff, guys. Also educational requirement, they want you to have like completion of 2 years of college studies. It's required. So completion of 2 years of college studies is required. Wako school 4 years, so you already have that already. Evaluation, language, so English, pacho Ghana there, say our would I say main language? Well, we all speak 3, but English there, English is our official language. Enti pacho now me reading and writing, so that will also help you as well. Very, 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 very necessary. Almost then they will test your brofo. They will test your brofo. Me patron, they will test your brofo. My man is scale. Be spelling bee. They want to make sure say you can speak English, you can write, and you can read. Asa. Another test, They want to see whether you can speak English, you can write, and you can read. Asa. Now, Dream say, okay. Skills and abilities. For all they want, they want good working knowledge of Microsoft Office. But college, and our university, we use Microsoft Word. who you should be. What I say, who you should PowerShell, and I'm going to get a presentation on class in Outlook, email, unya email through Professor Ho, and also then that type of experience, and they are very, 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 very easy. Also, they must have understanding of mathematical formulas for preparation, for preparing statistical reports on various elements of data analysis. Meaning, we because say a brofo kesiye, enya brofo kesiye biya. One person who say you know to calculate 1 + 1, 2 + 2, and no one person can, because in terms of say maybe sika bi ba omo adwuma mu ana bisa na, they want you to take care of that. If you can add $25,000 and $50,000 together and make some type of data analysis or create some type of dashboard for the company, and no one here and yeah, did it in India. Because on back to I say, oh you will create something like spreadsheet, complex reports. All these can be done in PowerShell. PowerShell. It's a PowerShell. Sorry, and PowerShell, PowerPoint. Alright, I say. And so Power BI, all those kind of things. Very, very simple. And yet, and even Puno, you're not going to take the lead in everything. Someone's already there who will show biase, so they will train you on certain things. Just have a general knowledge about that skill. Have a general knowledge about that skill. What I say, very, very simple. Only train you best 3 months. That's probation period. They will train you until we are quick, we are fast. Now utimi say juma utimi learning faster. You are good. Okay, another thing, say equal employment opportunity. So because of equal employment opportunity, it means no matter your race, no matter your skin color, no matter who you are, they will employ you. So far as say you don't have any illegal things in your resume or your illegal things on your record, and they don't be found. Okay, so qualifications, or say all applicants under consideration will be required to pass medical and security certification. Very, very simple. Sometimes obi koye we and now num tramadol this animal na ewo system now koye medical pass now what omu system get na munya. They need someone who is clean. What I say for fun will be sad and no be dinkakra. Into pacho, making sure say we system get clean. Okay, benefits and other information. Benefits, so agency benefits, and your ma will be a free company honma aside your salary. Most of them you be a locally employed staff, including member of household and third country nationals working at the U.S. missions in Accra. May receive a compensation package that may include health separations and other benefits. And one if you have medical insurance, other benefits too as well. For EFMs, benefits should be discussed with human resource officers. And the in case unya ejumana, discuss with your human resource. Meaning say you work for HR already, but discuss with the higher ups. Like I say, but your benefits na menyano. And I say interview during the interview, busomo say but your na your friend is saying benefits na it comes with this job. Once you hear other informations, you can go through. But I think say I've gone through the main part. But your Obeka say, hey, CCA you're going through the whole thing, but how do I apply? I have seen so much of the world there, or better me apply. Or say then, all candidates must obtain and hold a public trust clearance to apply for this position. Obey submit application. What I say, to go all the way up, and you go to apply. Apply job vacancy or whatever it is. So they will need you to create a new account. And to create a new account, I don't want to create a new account, but it's self-explanatory. And to know create a new account, do information. Next. Okay, because me apply me 5 in shame Emma meant to also. But idea no so what I say. Here with personal information, here with demographic information. don't create account. Once I create account, no log in. You log in now. Now I fill everything and put in your CV, put in your CV, your cover letter, and any type of recommendation. So some type of recommendation if free teachers and our previous bosses and our previous someone of higher standard I will recommend the one but your recommendation letters recommendation letters so do that and let me know in the comment sections if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to reply to the comment. So Ebusiafo, good luck in your job hunt. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm your host Easy CD and I'll see you guys in the next one.